Hello friends! In today's video I would like to share with you a busy board which my husband did for our son who is now 6 months old. So to celebrate that we decided to do our own busy board, and this is our first take on it, and in the future we're planning on making a bigger one. So let me show you how this board works. It has a lot of things here and they're specially put together in such way that the baby has things to touch and things to fiddle with. So here we have this screw going up and down so he can fiddle with that, learn to touch small parts. Then we have a switch, we have a thing that opens, so this also will help him get to know small parts of the house and how they work. On top we have just a weird thing which you can spin around and you can touch it. It has a kind of rubber touch to it. And here we have a heart which is made of felt. It's very soft and it used to be a Christmas tree decoration. We have a thing for washing dishes. It is a more rough material and it's very bright, so hopefully he will enjoy that. Some keys which he can fiddle around with. I'm sorry, it makes a loud noise. And here is a more difficult construction. Basically you can latch this to anything, so it comes apart. You can put it into the chain, so the child can interlock it like this, or he can put it here like that, and just basically latch it onto anything, and even maybe the other side, which I'll show you in a minute. And then here we have a rubber band which you can pull, touch it, and the chain. The chain is also for fiddling or for latching the previous thing to. So let me attach it. On the side we have a cloth which is soft on one side and is a bit weird on the other side. It's made for cars basically, so you can wipe down the window of a car. Of course it's brand new, so it has no dirt on it. Okay, so this is side number 2, and let me show you the things on here. First we have a shoe cleaner. So it's a sponge, it's clean and it's very interesting to touch, and plus he can put on and take off the lid. Yeah. Then we have a switch and we have a light, so I think that's quite funky, like that. We have a teddy bear. It's soft, you can just touch it. We have a plug, so he learns to connect and disconnect and maybe just fiddle around with it. It's attached to the bottom hook, so he won't get it lying around the floor. And of course there's no electricity, so it's safe. We have a bell here, and attached to the bell is a plug for the sink, plug for the bath, and this plug goes here. I'll show you how it is. We take this off. This is actually from my camera. You can see it's a Nikon. We drilled a hole through it. And here you can put the plug. It's a bit of a tight fit, but I think for a baby it's alright, because he will learn that not everything in life comes easy. It is on a chain connected to the bell. And the last thing on here is the book. So it used to be closed, but he already ripped it off and you can flip through it, and we have a nail right in the middle of it. Just colorful book with different phrases in it. So this was our first take on a busy board. In the future we will make a bigger one, having more elements. We just need to figure out which ones we want to put together. But while he's still small, I think this is the perfect size for him, so he can do it while sitting up, which he is just learning to do, or when he's having tummy time. One thing I want to mention is the side view. It is important to see how this is assembled. So on top we have the special things which you attach the doors to the frame with, and on the side we nailed one of the chains so it does not slide open, and on the other side there's nothing, just a cloth, and it is just roughly 30 by 30 centimeters, so perfect size for a baby to play with. And yeah, I hope this was a fun and entertaining video for you. In the future I'm planning to put stickers here so he will see more colors, but that's for a different day. Anyway, thank you for watching this short video, and please put a thumbs up for the effort, and yeah, have a nice day. Subscribe. Bye bye.